On this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the chain tension on your Aprilia Tuono. So let's get started. The owner's manual does call out to put the bike on a rear stand. First, take a 32mm socket and crack the rear axle nut loose. Don't spin it off, just keep it a little bit loose. For those playing at home, we're going to be on page 275 of our owner's manual, or here on your rear swing arm right here in case it's worn off for you. Your chain play should be 30mm at the center of the front sprocket to the rear. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my calipers and kind of float them right here. See, that's way too loose, so we gotta adjust this. To adjust the tension on your chain, I want you to loosen this 13mm nut right here and right here on the passenger side of your bike. This is your jam nut. Okay. Go ahead and back that out. And the 13mm nut on the, I'll call it the driver's side. Go ahead and back that out. Okay, I'm gonna take a fine Sharpie right here and just mark where this was before on both sides of the bike. So because my chain is too loose, I wanna drive the axle rearward. If it was too tight, we wanna drive the axle inward. So what we're gonna do is take a 10mm wrench and I'm going to turn this out. All right, I'm gonna take my 10mm right now and I'm gonna go pull this out. I'm gonna go adjust this a couple of turns. You can see right here on the screen how my chain is going up. Watch this. This is like a quarter turn. All right, now I'm gonna take my digital calipers and I'm gonna measure this gap right here. And it says 44.6mm. I'm gonna go transfer this measurement to the other side of the bike. So we're gonna go back this guy out. So we wanted to make sure our wheel is straight. So again, we're looking for 44.6. Let's see, we got almost. Not quite. All right. That is on the money right there. All right, we've got our calipers back on the bike. Let's go check our down play right there. So that's around right there and up. That looks pretty spot on for 30mm. We'll put a little anti-seize on this threads right there. They're getting a little rusted. At this point, go ahead and tighten down your jam nut. Okay. We're gonna hold our measurement right here. Just lightly secure this down. Okay, that feels good. We're on the other side of the bike, so right now we're gonna go and hold our measurement right there. We're gonna go close our jam nut in. All right, nothing too crazy tight. Perfect. Measure our gaps here one more time, make sure they're even. Go ahead and torque the rear axle with a 32mm socket to 75 foot-pounds or 100 Nm. All right, that's how we adjust our chain tension on our Aprilia Tuonos. If this video helped you out, leave a like and a comment below. Please consider subscribing and we'll see you next time.